Hi guys, here's a quick overview of CM1 IFOA April 2026 exam. So we have done this analysis using multiple feedbacks that we have received from students. So you can drop your comment with respect to how you felt your exam, and you can check out the same analysis on our LinkedIn page as well. So the link for the LinkedIn is attached in the description box. So do feel free to comment that how your experience of exam was, so that you can help the entire actual community to understand that how IFOA CM1 April 2026 exam was. So if I talk about CM1A, that was bit challenging, and although the good thing was that most questions were based on past papers with similar patterns, and the focus was more on first principles. That means the focus was more on the derivations content, and the issue, again the main issue, was the time pressure. That's the issue every time with CM1A exam. CM1B was comparatively easier and based on past paper questions only. So what helps students succeed? Thorough practice of past papers. If you have done, you would have found CM1 as an easy attempt, and if you are focused on understanding concepts and not rote learning. And very important thing, students actually appreciated a thing that if you are working on Excel, if you actually have done a lot of questions on Excel, then CM1B was comparatively very easy for you, and you need to explain your answers in very clear language. So what did not work, and what for those students who did not work, was actually mugging formulas, and those students who ignored past paper B practice, and they did not practice any test or mocks, because of which there was poor time management, or they did not practice full length mocks. So that is why we always stretch on practicing full length mock, because that actually gives you an idea that how exactly the exam is. So the most common question that everyone asks, so what's the expected pass mark? We can expect the pass mark to lie between somewhere between 60 to 65, combining the marks for both the papers in the 70-30 ratio. And actually the marks are based on performance, difficulty, on how others have performed. So 2 to 3 marks plus minus definitely you can expect. So the thing is that you have to practice timely mocks, you have to focus on conceptual clarity, and at the same time build your examination stamina. So do feel free to comment your CM1 experience. This video is for you to understand that how CM1 April 2026 exam was. So do help the entire actual community to understand your experience of the exam, so that we can work together and we can help the others who are giving the upcoming attempt to focus on the areas where maybe you missed this time. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos coming to your way. So we will be recording these type of videos for different exams to share the experience of different exams. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like or subscribe our channel, and LinkedIn link is also attached. Thank you. Happy learning.